Good afternoon, everyone. It is 3:35 p.m. Eastern Time. Trading the Euro USD. There's not much going on here, but I think there's still a trade. We're going into the close of the market at 4 o'clock. So I'm just going to go bullish here. Let me go ahead and let's do a 5 pip loss. Let's go with 50. Dollar. All right, we could do that. And I'm looking for a push up to a negative 23.6. So let's go ahead and let's buy that. All right, we're coming down a little bit. Not great, but we got a spread to. We'll go with a target at 10 pips as well. We're just going to keep it there. I'm kind of looking for. You can move it down a little bit. So I'm just looking for this small little um, profit here, if I could get it. And I think we can. So let's see what we got. All right, I'll let you go. Put you on pause and get you back. You see where you have some liquidity built up here, where the sellers came through. Um, I I look at that as buyers are already there. All right, then sellers. So I know that price action's been here before. I'm looking for a push up. So we're looking for just a little push, and we'll see. We'll see how it ends up. All right. We're still we're at the spread. We gotta first make the spread. So each uh, I guess tick would you say? Where it's like a mini pip is worth like $1. That's what I think that's what it is. All right. So every time it goes up like on the yeah. So from 6 to 5, you take a look. So you're gonna like overcome a tick. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Pip. Gotta go pip. So we have 5 minutes left on this candle. So if we have buyers coming in, we should start seeing them about right now. We're below this candle at close, or we're on a 15-minute candle time frame. You have that little bounce. If we see any buyers come in, they'll start coming in now. All right, we'll see. 3:41 p.m. So in a couple of minutes, maybe 3 minutes, we'll see something different. We'll see. So the buys did come in from here. I mean, it could still come back down. But I've watched so many charts. It's like I got deja vu, you know. So we'll see. We'll see how this works out. So I think it's like $10 a pip. That's my risk. So on the upside, it's going to be the same thing. Um, we're looking at possibly, 3 pips, possibly. We'll see. Want me to put you on pause, and we'll come back. So we printed a new candle. Not much here. We didn't make any lows. We made a low high, but there's really nothing going on here. So this candle could be uh, could push us up, or as long as we keep the low of this candles, we may actually come down a little bit and then pop right back up. But still bullish here. It's got like a little bull flag, right? You have a little, then we pop up that way. All right, so that's price action. Those of you who are following my order flow, we don't get into this kind of conversation, right? We get into absorption, we get into accumulation, distribution. This is a little different. So this looks like a flag post and a flag coming down, and then normally it would come back up, all right? Or it could be, well, it's not like a pennant, it's more of a flag. So we'll see if they manipulate us here. They shouldn't. There isn't much volume here. Could be manipulated. All right, we'll put you on pause. We'll come back. All right, I'm back. It looks like it wants to break to the upside now. It was just hovering around a little bit lower, uh, but still not low enough to, to get out of the trade. I feel there's still a little momentum. We got some buyers up in here as well. All we need is to get the push over, and we may come down just a little bit more. Um, we had a lot of buying up in this area, right in here. A lot of buying, more buying. Okay, remember they had to go up before they came back down. All right, so the buyers have been here before. So we have it's 3:51 p.m. We got about 9 minutes left, 8 minutes left of until the market closes, and we'll see what happens there. Put you on pause. We'll come back. All right, so we got about 30 seconds left of this candle before the 15-minute candle is up. We're still not below 50% of this. If you take the ask, 50% of this candle. So we can still have a pullback, and that's what I'm waiting for to happen. That may not happen, but in 8 seconds, there's going to be something happening. I feel we're going to go ahead and go back up. It's going to be 4 o'clock. Right there, we got a green candle. We'll see if we are bullish here. There's a lot of orders right now going in. You're not seeing anything. It's kind of like stabilizing here. So let's see. Now I'm just gonna let it run. Got 14 minutes on this candle. One push down. There was two pushes down. Almost three. Didn't quite get there. And when I say push, it's just a little flutter. Okay. So it's pretty stable here. You see what happened? Just came all the way down from there. Now we'll push up. Now we should just get a push up right now. There's one push. I'm not going to move my stop either. But now we're like in bare bull flag territory right now. So we'll give this like 5 minutes. If not, I get out of the trade. We'll just wait for one more push. So it was because there was significant selling in here. So you see the pop up and then came back down again. So it's starting to look okay. So we just wait. Wait about another 2 minutes. And then I'll put you on pause and we'll see how it ends up. Now the difference between these flags is you had this push down here. You had the tail. You had the. This is a strong push down, and then you had indecision. Bears took over, and they were there for the move down. This is different. Okay, we have buyers coming in. Okay, we have more buyers coming in than here. All right. So once we see a little bit of green, then more buyers will start stepping in, and hopefully we can move up. Just a little slower than I anticipated, but that's trading. We'll let it run. We'll just let this run a little bit. I'm gonna clean my glasses as this happens. A little better. Now, you know, I'm assuming we're gonna have a little bit of resistance here because we didn't get uh, over this right here, but we still have a little bit more to go. So hopefully we pick up a little more momentum to push us up a little further, and I think that's going to happen. Always remain positive. All right. We're just like in spread area now. It was $10 for the spread, I believe. So for this to be a true bull flagish, I mean, it's about 50%. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, I mean, but we have to go at least this, even to here. Like, let's see something. We go from here to here, be about 6 ticks, right? So from here to here would be about 6 ticks. Yeah, to about the 23 point, negative 23.6. All right, we'll take that and then we'll put that here. Come back up. So remember, we had buyers up here before they became sellers. We had buyers in here before they became sellers, right? We have a high buyer here. Sellers came in. So if we could get somewhere around here, this area, it'd be pretty sweet. May take some time, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you on pause. We got almost 20 minutes into this video, so I'm just gonna pause it. We'll see if we get to the target. So we pulled back a little bit, and we're coming back up again, and that's where we're standing right here. Let's see if we could just hit that. And I think we can. It's just that right now people are getting out of the market. So we'll see. All we can do is react. Okay. Now each successful push up is stronger, right? Two pushes down, one push up. There's a push up. A little slow, but there's another push, another push. Okay, so it's starting to look better now. Now we just need another momentum and being that we cleared this candle pretty much, right? And it's pretty strong. This candle here is pretty strong. Just a small minor pullback a little bit, but I think that we could clear that. But if we clear this candle here, then it's probably going to be a home run here. All right, it looks like we're starting to get some buyers in there now. And we could just look by seeing this price here come down. You know, -3, -4. You know, -2 would be good. Positive would be even nicer. But we don't know. But it looks like it looks pretty good. We got a minute 28 seconds, and then another row of 15-minute traders. And that will be 4:15. So it could be substantial. 15 minutes after the market close. A minute left. Put you on pause. I'll pick it back up. All right. I'm gonna print another candle here, and we did end pretty good on that candle there. That was pretty good. That was a pretty a strong close of this candle. I think buyers still want to they want to act. It's good. Yeah, yeah, it was a pretty strong. It was a pretty strong candle. That's good. Finally in the green. We need to move the stop loss up a little bit. We'll do it again. Oh, we're doing it the wrong way here. That's better. I think we're going to hold pretty steady on here. Resistance becomes support, I believe. So we got that little push up again. See if they start reloading. See if I had volume, I could tell you right away if they're reloading or not. No volume in Forex. Also, the spread has just gotten a little wider by a tick. So we have one pump down, one pump up. 9-1. So if we get to 9-1, that'll be decent right here. Then we gotta do another pip and a half, pretty much. I'm gonna put you on pause and come back. All right, we're back. Not able to move my stop on my target. I was able to move it that time. That's where we want to be. Yeah, 1-to-1 ratio here. All right, we'll see how it goes. Put you on pause. All right, we tagged the high of this candle here. Then the sellers came back in, but I believe that we have more power. We have more buying action here. These buyers are probably adding to their positions. That's what it seems like. We're staying here pretty a pretty good strong candle here. So each time it pulls back, sellers are either selling or these buyers are becoming sellers and they're taking profit. They came back down, they're pumping it back up. So they're selling into the buying, absorbing the sellers. This is where order flow comes handy. So I'm expecting a pop up. There you go. There's the pop. Let me get another pop. We're looking at this one right now to get to, which is the high which I shouldn't be, maybe something like that. Ooh, I don't want that. I don't want that to happen. I took a partial close there. So what I'll do now is I will don't know why this is not allowing me to oh, not letting me go to break even. Yeah, it's okay. Then we get another push up. There you go. I'm out. I'm out. All right, to the high. That's all I could ask for. Um, yeah, it's pretty good. About 20 bucks. A good deal. 33-minute video, but it's all good stuff. So I'll probably post it. I'll just review it and post it. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I'll get back to you. If you want more of an explanation of how I trade, join my Discord, free Discord. It'll be in the description in the video, and I'd like to see you there. All right, so that's about it. Steve Trader 66. I'm done for the day.